The Hollywood glitz and glam, big budget locations and sets, otherworldly VFX and cinematic scenes can now be created on a laptop in just one tab. I spent years working in traditional production. From creative startups to Hollywood sets, I saw firsthand the machinery it takes to create content. Massive budgets, crews of hundreds, and endless logistics. For a long time, that was the only way to make something high quality. But then AI hit. I realized I could build a studio with just one person and my laptop. No set, no crew, no inflated costs, no egos, just me, a vision, and the right tools. At first, I thought I needed all of the tools. My setup looked something like this. For brainstorming and scripts, I used ChatGPT Pro and Claude. For imagery, Midjourney, Flux, Nano Banana, ChatGPT, and Seedream. For video editing and generation, I used Runway, VO3, Kling, Hailuo, and Seedream, amongst others. For upscaling, Topaz and Magnific. For voice and sound effects, 11 Labs. For music generation, Suno. For post-production, Premiere Pro. It felt like I had this array of amazing tools, but in reality, it was absolute chaos. The workflow was completely broken and frustrating. Then I had an epiphany when I discovered Flora. Flora isn't just another AI tool. It's an intelligent canvas. A single platform where I can plan, build, and refine full creative campaigns without leaving the workspace. It's like running an entire production studio, but in one browser tab instead of 10. Here's what makes Flora different. You get an all-in-one creative workflow, so you can use text, image, and video models all in one place. The next big one is model switching. If one model falls short, I can instantly switch inside of Flora instead of hopping between platforms. You get centralized projects, so every asset, every version, every iteration lives in one evolving space. And most importantly, creative control. I can build e-commerce ads, social content, explainer videos, brand stories, and even full training modules, all with one flow. So if we look at AI and the old way versus the Flora way, where we move from chaos to clarity, is now I can brainstorm using ChatGPT within Flora. Then I can generate images using Flux, Nano Banana, Seedream, etc. And then I can create and edit videos using Runway, Kling, Hailuo, and Seedream. You can switch models instantly if needed, if you don't get the result you desired, or if you want to try something different. And you can export final campaigns from the same canvas. I still use 11 Labs for voice and sound effects, Suno for music production, and Premiere Pro for post-production. But these are the cherry on top of a workflow that is now housed entirely within Flora. So what type of work am I producing within Flora? So my AI-powered one-person studio has built e-commerce ad creatives from product visuals to polished video ads. I've built brand stories where I take a narrative-driven campaign and build it visually from start to finish. I've developed social media content from short-form clips, graphics, and captions, all designed for testing and scale, where I can iterate with each piece that I create in one place. And of course, branding assets. So if you want to create mood boards, visuals, branding elements, or campaign imagery, you can now do it with this one consistent system. So why is Flora the absolute best tool for professional creatives? Flora doesn't just save you money by buying 7+ subscriptions, but it also saves you time. No more wasted hours switching between tools and chasing the latest model. Energy. So my flow stays intact because I'm in one place, and that makes the creative workflow feel so much more natural. And of course, sanity. So no more broken workflows or scattered assets where I'm trying to piece these things together. For me, it was the difference between struggling to manage tools and actually building stories at scale. The future of production is in one-person creative studios. Traditional production will always exist, but for creative professionals who want independence, speed, and control, The one-person AI-powered studio is the future, and Flora makes that future possible. If you want to give Flora a spin, you can try it for 25% off for life using the link in the description. And if you want to build your own one-person AI-powered creative studio, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching.